Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change coolant in a Ram 1500. First, ensure your engine is completely cool to avoid burns from hot coolant or engine parts. Gather all your tools, including a large drain pan, a wrench for the drain plug, and the correct type of new coolant. Always wear safety glasses and gloves to protect your eyes and skin from the coolant, which can be harmful. This preparation ensures a safe and smooth process. Now let's drain the old coolant. Position a large drain pan directly beneath the radiator drain plug, usually located at the bottom of the radiator on one side. Carefully open the drain plug. Also, open the radiator cap to allow air to enter, which helps the coolant drain faster and more completely. Allow ample time for all the old coolant to flow out into the pan. This step is crucial for a thorough coolant replacement. Once the old coolant is drained, close the radiator drain plug securely. Now you can flush the system. Fill the radiator with distilled water or a recommended cooling system flush product if you choose to use one. Run the engine until it reaches operating temperature with the heater on full blast. This circulates the flush. Then, turn off the engine, let it cool and drain the flush liquid completely. Repeat if necessary for a clean system. Finally, it's time to refill and bleed the system. Ensure the radiator drain plug is tightly closed and all hose clamps are secure. Slowly fill the radiator with the new, correct type of coolant, typically a 50-50 mix. Start the engine with the heater on high and the radiator cap off. As the engine warms, air bubbles will escape. Keep topping off the coolant until the level stabilizes and no more bubbles appear. This ensures proper cooling.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.